It may be fall, but the Arlington County real estate prices don't seem to be falling. Hey there, welcome back to your trusted real estate companion. I'm Melvin and here once again to bring you your monthly real estate insights. Now, whether you're a seasoned pro or new to the real estate world, I'm your go-to expert for all things from home prices to the latest trends in the buyer's market right here in your neighborhood. This video is sponsored by the Let's Talk Real with Mel podcast. If you haven't tuned in yet, make sure you hang out with me 3 times a week. We've got a fantastic lineup of guests from all walks of life, discussing real-life topics, triumphs, setbacks, and everything in between. Now for the numbers. The average sales price was $846,713. This is a 25.2% increase over last year and a 3.2% decrease over last month. The total sales volume in Arlington last month, all added up, was $144,806,648, and that's down 3.2% over the prior month. The average time it took to find a buyer was 24 days. Let's take a look at the national data for September and check out the latest real estate trends nationwide. The good news is, in September, the inventory of unsold existing homes saw a 2.7% increase from the previous month, reaching 1,130,000 units. This amount represents approximately a 3.5-month supply at the current rate of monthly sales. Now, this uptick in inventory could provide some relief in the real estate market, offering prospective buyers more options and potentially mitigating the intensity of competition for available properties. Now, the future outlook is looking pretty good. In a rare display of unity, major real estate industry groups, including the NAR, National Association of Realtors, and the National Association of Home Builders, issued an open letter to the Federal Reserve with a clear message: cease further rate hikes, please. This united front emphasizes the real estate sector's shared interest and collective commitment to safeguarding the financial well-being of consumers and ensuring stability and opportunity in the market. In all of Arlington, there were 171 homes that ultimately sold. That's down 10.9% over the prior month and down 17.8% over last year this time. Before you rush off, I've got an exclusive insider tip just for you. Why not make a quick stop over at our website for your annual equity update? It's like getting a sneak peek into your home's current value, and you get that value immediately once you fill out the information. No need to wait for an agent or someone to call you back. And always remember, I'm just a call, text, or email away whenever you need some real estate wisdom. Don't forget to show your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. We're thrilled to be your dedicated team for all things real estate in the DMV. Until next time, catch you later.